everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels, and in this video I am going to tell you the way of learning. How can I learn English and how did I start my journey in English with. So there are the different types of way, but mostly I follow three types of way. So I'm going to tell you in this video which types of way I follow it generally, and so watch the video till end. You will get the real and the practice of learning English. So the first way of the learning English is very important, and I have been following this method for more than 1 year, and I have seen lots of changes in myself. The first method is that talk to yourself as much as you can do, because talking yourself is a best way to learn English when you don't have any partner, when you are very much shy person to talk to other person. So this is the very best way to learn English. Let's suppose I am giving a demo how can I talk to yourself. So let's suppose I am standing on the roof, and now I am just making a video. So whatever is going around you can explain it. Let's the weather is very hot, that I am shooting this video in the morning times, and though it is a Sunday, yet most of the people are working their job, and there are lots of vehicle, and the birds are flying in the sky. So whatever you are seeing, just talk to yourself as much as you can do. And the second method is that there are the different types of the platform like clapping or Cambly, but those platforms are very much expensive. But if you can afford those platforms, that platform will be very helpful to develop your communication skill. But there are many WhatsApp groups available on the Google. You can join in that group and you can practice with the other person. You can connect to the other person. That is also very best way to improve your communication skill, by connecting to the other person, sharing your thought, knowing the exact meaning of the English, discussing about the topic. So these are the very good way to learn English. And the third way is very much important, is also reading, listening, and is writing, because that reading is also very much good way to learn English, because whatever we learn, whatever we got from the book, so there are the different types of the vocabularies written, and there are many words we cannot know the meaning of that words. We can also search on the Google and we can find out the meaning, and after that we can also utilize those words in our conversation. And the listening, it is also very best approach, in my opinion, that listening is the best way to learn the English, because let's suppose if you are in a childhood, so whatever we learn our native language with the help of the listening. So listening is also best weapon to learn English. And let's suppose my native language is Hindi, so I learn my native language by listening. So everyone can learn their native language as well as the English language by listening. And the other approach is that watching some video. So watching some video is also a good way to learn English, because and not one time watch will lead you a perfect speaker, because learning English is a kind of repetition. You will have to watch the video multiple times until or unless you get the concept of all the videos. So watch some conversation video, listen it, practice it by your own way. That will be a very good way and approach. So if any person can speak, if he can speak, she can speak, why can't I speak? You can also speak English. But if you have a consistency, if you have a willing and determined to do something, you can also do it. So this all about the learning, and this is the three way I generally follow it. And I hope you have got my point, and you will follow all the points, and that will be improve a lot, I believe that. So this information, if this information is useful for you, so write it down in the comment section, and I will meet you in the next video with some interesting fact. Enjoy your life, have fun. Goodbye.